Hi everyone, welcome to Math Paragraphs class. Today I will be explaining the addition of polynomials. Let us consider the polynomial here. P1 equals x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 plus 2. And the polynomial P2 equals x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 5. So if we are asked to add the polynomial P1 and 2P2, for instance, you have P1 plus 2P2. You're asked to add these polynomials. How do we do it? Actually, it is simple to add this kind of polynomial. The first thing we do is to multiply polynomial P2 by 2, because as it is stated, we have 2P2, which means we have to multiply the polynomial P2 by 2. So here put 2 outside, open the parenthesis, then write x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 5, close the parenthesis. So here we now have x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 5. So we will multiply all the terms of the polynomial by 2. So we'll first multiply 2 by x raised to power 3. So this gives us 2x raised to power 3 plus multiply 2 by 2x raised to power 2. So here we have 4x raised to power 2. Then 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Now with this, we have been able to sort out 2p2, which is 2 times the second polynomial. Now the next thing we'll do is to add the first polynomial and the second polynomial together. Now the first polynomial at the top here is x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 plus 2. So I'm going to rewrite it here. Don't forget, of course, we have P1 plus P2. So here we have x raised to power 4, that's the first thing, minus x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2, then plus 2. You observe I'm giving space because of the constant term. Now the polynomial P2, exactly, that's what we have. Polynomial P2, we now as we are writing, this is what you should also observe. The degrees will have to align. It's just like when you're collecting like terms. If you see degree 4 in your second polynomial, you put it under data of the terms that is having a degree 4. For instance, P1 has degree 4, which is x raised to power 4. It has degree 3, which is x raised to power 3. It has a degree 2, but no degree 1. So when we are adding this polynomial here, we are going to put them under each of these terms accordingly. Now, checking from the first one where we have 2x raised to power 3, we discover that there is nothing here. I put 0 because I only have x raised to power 4. Then I'll put plus here. The next one is 2x raised to power 3. This is what I have here. So I'll put my plus here. Here I have x raised to power, this is 4x raised to power 4. I'll put it under this one. 4x raised to power 2, rather it's 4x raised to power 2. Then I have 10, which is minus 10. I am adding them together. I put the sign here. So it makes it easy for me to add the polynomials without making any error. So here I can add them. The first one is x raised to power 4 plus 0, which is still the same as x raised to power 4. The second one is minus x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 3. Of course, I will subtract x raised to power 3 from 2x raised to power 3. It's just like you're subtracting 1 from 2. And that means here I have plus x raised to power 3. So the third polynomial, the third term here is x raised to power 2 plus 4x raised to power 2. So this means just like adding 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5, then it will be 5x raised to power 2. So the next one here is for me to now add the constant terms. The constant term is just 2 plus minus 10 is the same way as subtracting 2 from 10, but your result is going to be a negative form, so which means here I have minus 8. So this is how you can easily subtract polynomials, and it is very easy. You will not make mistake when you subtract polynomials this way. So you can join me in my next video, even as I will explain how you can add a polynomial.